Who should get access to justice? Should access to justice be the exclusive preserve of those that can afford it? How can the poor and underprivileged in society get access to justice? Take Baba Chali, a pensioner, for example. The years after retirement were supposed to be smooth and stress-free as he had envisioned. But when land grabbers attempted to take the piece of land he acquired with his gratuity, Baba Chali was confused and helpless. With no money to pay for legal fees, Baba Chali's hope for justice seemed lost. The Nigerian Bar Association is determined to support the poor and vulnerable citizens like Baba Chali, communities, and groups throughout Nigeria by providing access to justice through pro bono legal services to indigent Nigerians. Pro bono legal services for indigents and vulnerable citizens and public interest litigation are two essential tools for the promotion of access to justice, judicial reforms, and good governance. Members of the Nigerian Bar Association are committed to providing pro bono services to the vulnerable in the society. This commitment is highlighted in the pro bono declarations for members of the Nigerian Bar Association signed by the NBA led by Mr. Rotimi Akeredolu, SAN, on the 1st of January 2009, and the Augustine Alege SAN-led MBA on the 1st of May 2015. These declarations are commitments by members of the NBA who occupy a privileged role in matters of justice to provide pro bono legal services with the same quality of representation to underprivileged citizens when they need it, improve effective legal representation, and enhance widespread access to justice and legal services for poor or underprivileged persons and communities who lack such access. The declarations also encourage law firms and individual lawyers to provide on a pro bono basis legal representation and advice to at least 5 indigent individuals, group of persons, or communities each year. The NBA committed in the Pro Bono Declaration of 2015 to establish, develop, and operate a national pro bono center dedicated to the delivery of pro bono legal services in the public interest. The pro bono declarations are premised on the fact that access to justice and legal representation are essential to democratic societies, and the absence of access to justice and legal representation undermines public confidence in governmental and judicial institutions and democracy. With the provision of the pro bono legal services by members of the NBA, absence of access to justice and legal representation for the poor and underprivileged in society is now a thing of the past. It's a win for justice, good governance, and the protection of human rights for Nigerian citizens. It's a win for all of us.